Dear students, welcome in Jazzwords Computer Lecture Online. Chapter number 3, Input and Output Devices. Our second topic, Output Devices. The devices which are used to receive data and information from the computer are called output devices. The most commonly used output devices are pointer, printer, and last one is speaker. Monitor. The monitor is the most commonly used output device on personal computers. It is also called a display or a screen. You look at your monitor whether you are typing. The monitor is further divided into two types of monitor. There are two basic types of monitors. These are CRT. CRT stands for cathode rays tube, and flat panel monitor. CRT monitor. A CRT monitor consists of a phosphorus coated screen. There are three electronic guns on its back. The screen's phosphor coating is organized into a grid of dots. The smallest number of phosphor dots that the gun can focus on is called a pixel or picture element. A CRT monitor contains a shadow mask, which is a fine mesh made up of metal fitted to the shape and size of the screen. Number 2 is flat panel monitor. A flat panel monitors are usually used in portable computers and laptops because of their small size. They are expensive to manufacture and don't provide the high quality and bright colors that CRT technology provides. There are several types of flat panel monitors, but the most common is liquid crystal display called LCD monitor. Number 3 is a printer. Printer is an output device. A printer is a device that produces hard copy on the paper. Printers are commonly used in businesses to get the documents printed on paper. Depending upon the printing mechanism used, printers fall into two categories: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers. An impact printer produces images by striking an inked ribbon with a hammer or a set of pins, pressing ink from the ribbon onto a piece of paper. Impact printers also divided into three categories: dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, and line printers. Non-impact printer. A non-impact printer produces images on paper without striking the page in any way. Number 1 is the laser printer. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser printers are similar to copy machines. They use laser beam to burn special ink called toner on the page to create a permanent image. They create high quality output at a relatively fast speed without making too much noise. Electrothermal printer. An electrothermal printer is a type of printer that uses heated pins to burn images onto heat sensitive papers. Electrostatic printer. Electrostatic printers use a special photographic paper that allow characters to be etched onto the paper using a stylus. The stylus is made up of tiny wires and forms characters by placing an electrostatic charge image on the paper. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer is a type of printer that works by spraying ink on a sheet of paper. Magnetized plates in the path direct the ink onto the paper in the desired shapes. Inkjet printers are capable of producing high-quality prints that are produced by laser printers. Plotter. A plotter is a large-scale printer that receives commands from a computer to make drawings on the paper with one or more automatic pens. The plotter also divided into three categories: drum plotters, flat bed plotters, and electrostatic plotters. These are all types of printers. The last one is speaker. Speaker is a well-known output device. If we want to listen our voice or any kind of audio, we need a speaker. Speaker produce output of a voice data. So this is our third chapter, input and output devices. So keep studying, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.